Monica, I want you to have the first taste.
Really?
Oh, wait. You only got whipped cream in there. You got to take a bite with all the layers.
Okay.
Well,
It's so good that I feel really selfish about being the only one who's eating it. I think we should have everyone taste how good it is. Especially Ross.
Yeah, this is so good that I'm gonna go enjoy it on the balcony so I can enjoy the view whilst I enjoy my dessert.
I've got to call my friend Mary and tell her how good this is from Monica's room.
I'll help you dial.
I'm gonna go into the bathroom so I can look at it in the mirror as I eat it.
okay, now what was that all about? Does it not taste good? Let me try it.
No. All gone. So good. Maybe Chandler has some left. It tastes like feet.
I like it.